Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this rice hair conditioner to stop hair fall and regrow tiny hair. If you're new to my channel, my name is Sylvia. I make DIY skincare and hair care products. In today's tutorial I'm using I'm making rice natural hair conditioner, leave-in conditioner. Rice is a straightener, an antioxidant and scalp nourisher that support the scalp environment. It can help strengthen and improve your hair strands and condition, and also boost shine. Let's get started. So to make this rice hair conditioner, I have my ingredients measured out. The first ingredient I have is my stearic acid. For my stearic acid, I have 5 grams of stearic. I have 3 grams of stearic acid, and that's the first ingredient I added into my beaker. And the next one I'm adding is my shea butter. For my shea butter, I'm using 13 grams of shea butter. Shea butter, it serves as a moisturizer for this leave-in conditioner. It helps lock in moisture and retain moisture in your hair. And the next I added is my emulsifying wax. For this I'm using emulsifying wax NF, and you can use any emulsifying wax you have available. And the next I'm adding is my cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a nourisher. It's also good for your natural hair. It helps coat the strands and also protects the strands. And for my cocoa butter, I use 5 grams of cocoa butter. And the next I added to my after adding my cocoa butter into the beaker, I kept it aside. And the next is for my water face, I have my aloe vera aloe vera juice. You can use distilled water. For this I'm using aloe vera juice. And the next I'm adding at this point is my rice. I use rice starch. I made it. It's a homemade rice starch. If you don't have the one you made at home, you can buy from the store. And so if you want to grow your hair faster and naturally, and also want to stop hair fall, you must try this homemade rice conditioner. It's very helpful. And you notice I made it in a smaller quantity to see what it will look like, and I love the outcome, the end result. So after adding my ingredients in my beaker, I'm going to place it in a hot water bath and place it over a low heat for the butters and waxes to melt. At this point it's melted, and so after melting, then I'm going to pour in my water face into the oil face. And after that I just move in with my immersion blender and start blending it to make sure the water and the water face and the oil face is well incorporated. So I'll keep blending it. I'll blend for a while and I will stop. Every 2 seconds I blend and I'll pause to make sure I'm blending well and incorporating the both phases together. So at this point I will keep blending until it thickens up a bit. So as usual, I will write the measurement and ingredient I use for this rice conditioner on the screen. So feel free to make a screenshot in case you want to try this later and try it. I would love to get your feedback. Use the comment section so I know what you think about this rice conditioner. If you would love to try it again, or if you think maybe there are other things you feel you want to add to it, and if you try altering the recipe and changing some of the ingredients, let me know in the comment section if you loved it and if you want to keep trying it using the same recipe. And so after at this point my rice conditioner has taken up to this point, and I'll give it a little blend because I left it for long and I noticed it's not smooth the way I want it to be, so I had to go in with my immersion blender again to smoothen it up. So at this point, after blending it, then the next will be adding my cool down face. So one of the reasons I decided to make this rice conditioner. Rice is the straightener. It has antioxidant and it's a scalp nourisher. It helps support the scalp environment. It can also help strengthen and improve the condition of your hair cuticle and boost shine. And if this is what you want, give this a try. So at this point, I'm adding my cool down face. The first I'm adding here is my vitamin E oil, and for my vitamin E oil I'm using 1 gram of vitamin E oil. And after adding my vitamin E oil, the next I will add is my essential oil. You can feel free to add any essential oil of your choice, and also my preservative. For my preservative, I use 1 gram of preservative. And so those rice conditioner, I made it has two type. The first one, you notice that on my thumbnail I have two types of conditioner. The first one is plain and the other one has a bit color to it. So what I did, after mixing my cool down face, adding all the ingredients I needed to add to this leave-in conditioner, I poured it in a sterilized container. After pouring it into a sterilized container, then the remaining one I added hibiscus extract to it, and that what gave it the color you saw. So at this point, I poured this first batch into a container, and this is the thickness. This is what it looks like, and so beautiful. Then I decided to add hibiscus extract to the second one, and that's why you saw the color. You saw a different color. And with that one, after adding my hibiscus extract, the texture was different, so it wasn't as thick as this first one I poured into a container. So guys, if that's what you want, if you want it lighter like this, like what you're seeing on the screen, you can add extract like I did. If not, just leave it the way it is, the first one you saw, and that's the leave-in conditioner. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, if you want to keep seeing my videos, my tutorials, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you know those that might be interested in this video, this leave-in conditioner, this rice conditioner, don't forget to share my videos and like them and comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.